Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Lobby. Lobby. Lobby means seek to influence legislator. For example, it is recommending that booksellers lobby their representatives. It is recommending that booksellers lobby their representatives. Synonyms: seek to influence, try to persuade, bring pressure to bear on. Log. Log. Log means enter information in log. For example, the incident has to be logged. The incident has to be logged. Synonyms: register, record, make a note of. Manifest. Manifest. Manifest means show quality or feeling. For example, Ray manifested signs of severe depression. Ray manifested signs of severe depression. Synonyms: display, show, exhibit. Manipulate. Manipulate. Manipulate means handle or control skillfully. For example, he manipulated the dials of the set. He manipulated the dials of the set. Synonyms: operate, handle, work. March. March. March means walk in military way. For example, 3 companies of soldiers marched around the field. 3 companies of soldiers marched around the field. Synonyms: stride, walk, troop. Mature. Mature. Mature means become fully grown. For example, children mature at different ages. Children mature at different ages. Synonyms: be fully grown, be full grown, be fully developed. Maximize. Maximize. Maximize means make as large or great as possible. For example, the company was aiming to maximize profits. The company was aiming to maximize profits. Synonyms: enlarge, boost, enhance. Merge. Merge. Merge means combine or cause to combine to form single entity. For example, the utility companies are cutting costs and merging with other companies. The utility companies are cutting costs and merging with other companies. Synonyms: join, join together, join forces. Minimize. Minimize. Minimize means reduce something to smallest possible amount or degree. For example, the aim is to minimize costs. The aim is to minimize costs. Synonyms: keep down, keep at a minimum, keep to a minimum. Mobilize. Mobilize. Mobilize means prepare troops for action. For example, the government mobilized regular forces, reservists, and militia. The government mobilized regular forces, reservists, and militia. Synonyms: marshal, deploy, muster. Neglect. Neglect. Neglect means fail to care for. For example, the old churchyard has been sadly neglected. The old churchyard has been sadly neglected. Synonyms: uncared for, mistreated, abandoned. Nod. Nod. Nod means lower and raise head briefly. For example, she nodded her head in agreement. She nodded her head in agreement. Synonyms: incline, bob, bow. Nominate. Nominate. Nominate means propose as candidate for election or honor. For example, the film was nominated for several Oscars. The film was nominated for several Oscars. Synonyms: propose, put forward, put up. Notify. Notify. Notify means inform someone of something. For example, you will be notified of our decision as soon as possible. You will be notified of our decision as soon as possible. Synonyms: inform, tell, advise. Oblige. Oblige. Oblige means make someone legally or morally bound to do something. For example, doctors are obliged by law to keep patients alive while there is a chance of recovery. Doctors are obliged by law to keep patients alive while there is a chance of recovery. Synonyms: require, compel, bind. Obsess. Obsess. Obsess means preoccupy or fill mind of someone continually and to troubling extent. For example, he was obsessed with the theme of death. He was obsessed with the theme of death. Synonyms: preoccupy, be uppermost in someone's mind, prey on someone's mind. Opt. Opt. Opt means make choice from range of possibilities. For example, consumers will opt for low-priced goods. Consumers will opt for low-priced goods. Synonyms: choose, select, pick. Originate. Originate. Originate means have specified beginning. For example, the word originated as a marketing term. The word originated as a marketing term. Synonyms: arise, have its origin, derive. Outrage. Outrage. Outrage means arouse outrage in. For example, he was outraged at this attempt to take his victory away from him. He was outraged at this attempt to take his victory away from him. Synonyms: enrage, infuriate, incense. Oversee. Oversee. Oversee means supervise person. For example, a trustee appointed to oversee Corey's finances. A trustee appointed to oversee Corey's finances. Synonyms: supervise, superintend, be in charge of.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.